Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Golden Ribbons water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the water marble today, I'm going to be using Orly for Sherpa. We Flannely Made It, and Rustic Root. And for my base color, I'm going to be using Luxe, actually this time. Once I have that applied, I'll be protecting around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is built, we're going to go ahead and start drawing on the design. Even though I can see the bullseye looks a bit funny, we're actually going to play with this little bit of separation in the design. I'm going to go ahead and draw in some chevrons, and then I'll be going back across the design with curved chevrons. Once I'm done with the design, I'm going to take the orange stick and go around the outside, slightly dipping in order to stretch the design just a little bit so that those gaps are a little bit more obvious. Once I have it pulled enough, I'm going to figure out where I want to dip my nails, line them up, and dip in. Go ahead and clear any excess polish from the surface of the water so it doesn't stick to your design. Pull out slowly to pop any bubbles like we can see on my ring finger there. And there's the water marble. I'm going to go ahead and remove the protection and then go on to my other nails. once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. I wanted to work with the way that the polish is separated in the water to show the base color underneath, and it was a little bit tricky, but worth it in the end. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time, and if you'd like to see the extended tutorial that includes all of that testing, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.